It's literally been forever since I did one of these like talking clips because I've just been doing voiceovers for my vlogs for this entire semester so far. But this week is super exciting for me. I'm hosting my very first social event for one of my student orgs. I'm just gonna be preparing for that and picking up supplies and things like that. And I also have a 3,000 word essay due Friday. Really need to work on that. And other than that, I just have like a few tiny assignments that I'll show you. So yeah, it should be a pretty eventful week. On Tuesdays and Thursdays, I have my programming lecture, and I always have next to no clue about what's going on, but if I don't go to lecture, then I feel even worse. So at this point, I'm just going to lecture so that I don't feel guilty about not going later. If anyone has any tips on how to deal with incomprehensible lectures, please let me know because those tips would be much needed. I really need to pass the final exam for this class because otherwise I might not pass the class, so I really need to start studying for that exam. After lunch, I decided to continue working on my essay, which is pretty much the only thing I did all week. This essay was also one of the worst essays I've ever written, but I'm glad it's over. I honestly won't really be able to relax until this semester is completely over, but next semester all of my classes are looking relatively easy, so I'm just gonna hope for the best. So this is the fit for today. I can't really tell if this style of pants matches this bodysuit, but this is what we're going with because I'm running out of clothes to wear. So yesterday's portion of the vlog was pretty much a fail because I just forgot to vlog after a certain point. But basically all I did was work on my essay that's due Friday. There's a 2,500 word minimum and a 3,000 word maximum, I'm pretty sure. I'm currently at like 950 words out of 2,500. So that's how that's going. It's not going well. I also don't even know if my thesis is cohesive enough. It is what it is. I might have to do a few extra credit reports for this class because I don't know how well I'm gonna do on this report. Today, I'm planning on filming the entire day, so that should be a little bit more cohesive than yesterday's part. Today, I have that one social event that I've been planning, and the only thing left for me to do is actually pick up the pizza. So I ordered 3 boxes of pizza, and hopefully I can carry that for like a 10-minute walk, because it's a 10-minute walk from Domino's to the building where we're having the social. Other than that, I'm just gonna be grinding on my essay today because I really need to get that sorted out. Today is Wednesday and it's due Friday at midnight, so I do have a bit of time, but I just really want to get it out of the way. Like, I'm so over this essay. After I got ready for the day, I got back to this dreaded essay. I really just hate writing essays in general. Actually, now that I think about it, I just hate college in general, and I can't wait for it to be over. I was actually talking to one of my friends the other day about how I just want college to be over so that I can move on to a more stable part of my life, hopefully. And it seems like that's a super unpopular opinion to have. Apparently everyone likes to have a full college experience, but I personally don't. We'll see if that changes over time, but I don't see that changing in the near future. The next day, I was starting to make edits to my essay rather than thinking of original ideas to write about for the essay, so I was definitely getting closer to the finish line. I spent a lot of time in the library to get this done because sometimes my apartment can be super loud because of my roommates, but honestly, I love the vibe at the libraries on campus, so I wasn't too mad about having to leave my apartment to get away from the noise. Since it was Thursday, I had 2 lectures for the day, and then I spent pretty much every other minute working on this essay, so overall, not too bad of a day. I was right back at the library to finish up edits for my essay. This is actually a different library, but it was just as quiet, which is good because sometimes libraries on campus aren't the most quiet. But anyway, that is pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching, and I will see you next week.